Hello, welcome to Daily SnaveSutit News. This is News Channel. We're going to talk about when SnaveSutit happened. Today, we've got two guests this time around, both involved in one of the biggest projects in the Minecraft data pack industry, being Animated Java.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome. Would you like to introduce yourself from left to right and what you are involved in?
Hi, I'm SnaveSutit.
Okay.
Who's left?
Oh no.
Let's start Zayla. Actually, that's the camera's left.
I'm Xelafela. I have been a modeler and animator for over 4 years, and yeah, I've been working with this dude for creating the animated Java booth. That's Yee.
Nice. Snave now.
Yeah, hi, I'm SnaveSutit. I created the animated Java Blockbench plugin. I've been working with data packs for a long time. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I suppose that is ways. But yeah, so would you like to talk to us a little bit, Snape, about what animated Java is, just for the people that are less technically involved in Minecraft?
Animated Java is a Blockbench plugin that lets you create advanced animated models in vanilla Minecraft without mods, without plugins. It lets you create them through an interface that's familiar using Blockbench's animation tools, and lets you not have to deal with all the crazy stuff like display entity transformations.
Nice. Yeah, that's good to hear. So let's talk a little bit about your booth and summit, since you're both involved in that. What was the original inspiration or idea for the booth to be this sort of process, like factory quarry mine that ships these armor stands?
Well, I think Snave should start with this because he had the original idea for the thing. I can add my bit this sec. So yeah, what was I don't know what was your original idea? Because if I remember correctly, we were it was originally going to be you were just building armor stands just straight up.
Well, the original idea I had was going to be a factory where you were producing armor stands, but quote unquote producing armor stands as rigs and then shipping them off. But that kind of evolved into producing these little dummy figures that are made of a resource called Blockbenchium and shipping those off.
I was just gonna say, like, yeah, we were kind of like brainstorming with Thor, which is our builder, and unlike the general aesthetic, he suggested like themes like something like similar to like Rust, that game, and with the style of the buildings, and I don't know, we just kind of followed through with that. Yeah.
Nice. So, I mean, I've seen your booth and seen what it first started as this quite self-contained booth that was actually inside of your assigned space, and then over time, over the weeks and months, it slowly started to take over all of the trend around it. So, I mean, there's many different areas inside of your booth because of it. So, would you like to talk about the main areas inside of your booth?
I mean, we have the Blockbenchium mine, which is down below the booth. It contains a excavator for mining the Blockbenchium and a giant Blockbenchium source crystal. There's the main area with the machines where you're processing the ore and you're unloading from the dock, which is the other area where the boat is. And then there's a couple hidden areas to explore for.
No spoilers.
Yeah, no spoilers. But yeah, that's really cool to hear. I know that this is one of the biggest boosts on the server due to how much space it takes up in the biome that there is. And because of that, there's also many different models and whatnot that you've made, Zeta, haven't you?
Yep. It was a very interesting process to crank out all those models within this short span. But I think I'm relatively happy with where we ended up. There's hasn't been any big loose ends, so. Ooh.
He's modest. He's crazy. He's doing
Yeah.
it great.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah, we can say both of us, Arn Sailor can say that they've done a very good job with all the models and whatnot, especially in the time frame that they have. They work very fast. But
Thank
talking,
you.
yeah, but talk about the models in the booth. Is there a part of the booth, maybe like one of the models, or maybe just like an area, like or not, that is your favorite out of both of you?
I mean, like personally, I'd say the crane, just because I didn't entirely expect it to be able to function. So, like, I or I modeled the crane. I got all those like pieces together, and then he somehow made it work. And just the spectacle of it, of having such a big custom model that's like towering over, that's like fully controllable, is just it's very fun.
Yeah. What about you, Snave? Is there a favorite part of your booth that you have?
I think my favorite part is the source crystal because its ambience is so good and it's just so imposing when you walk into the mine. It's like, whoa.
I mean, the
uh,
fact that you added like living heart beating when you get near it doesn't help with
yeah.
that.
Yeah, so I know that this source crystal actually has some interaction with places around it, such as the original transport that goes from the light quarry to the dark quarry. Is there any other parts of your booth that do interact with other places, such as other booth vendors and other biomes and whatnot?
Yeah, the Vanilla Ride Studios booth, which is right above the source crystal, can look down and see it and hear it.
Yeah,
And then we also have power lines that are going to other booths, providing them with power.
we've kind of hooked up the entire light quarry area to the grid. It's to be honest, it stretched farther than I expected. I remember like logging onto the build server one day, just seeing like aspects there, and it's like, oh, okay, I guess we've extended the grid. It sprawled out, and it's really cool.
Yeah, more and more people kept asking, "Can we be connected to the grid? Can we be connected to the grid? Please, please, can we be connected?"
Yeah, I imagine that must be really cool to hear, especially with the projects around you also using animated Java as one of their features, such as custom entity API and Vanilla White Studios. How do you feel about all these people around you uh, using the thing that you made or you have like represented?
It's pretty cool. It's always
Yes.
inspiring to see other people's stuff made with things you've with a tool you've made.
Yeah, it's yeah, it's just really cool. I mean, I don't like he's the dev dude, so but it's just really cool being a part of that process and just seeing all the people like wanting to collab and like all the crazy stuff they've made. Animated Java has really been like a big staple in like my map makings and my personal projects. So yeah.
Yeah, that is really cool to hear. So I know that this animated Jump is actually a returning figure from last summit, isn't it? And I know that compared to last summit, it's a much different build. What made you want to return from last summit to this one to represent animated Java again?
Well, I really enjoyed exploring everyone else's booths last summit, and I don't know, I just wanted to have some fun.
Hmm.
Haven't had a big group project to work on for a while, so
Yeah, same, to be honest.
the community is really nice. I really enjoy working with the summit devs. So
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really good to hear. So we're going to pivot a little bit away from booth and talk more about what's around the booth with the regions and whatnot. So I know that you guys took place in the light quarry biome. However, is there any other regions or biomes that are on the server that are your favorite?
Uh,
I really
you want
like the welded woodlands. They're pretty sweet. The zip lines going everywhere are pretty fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh gosh, there was one like specific spot in yeah, I can agree with Snave about the welded woodlands, but there is one spot in the textured tropics where it's like super colorful trees And then there's like a flowing waterfall, and it just looks like I don't even understand how that people were able to come up with that, but it looks. I could just like sit in there and just like stare for like hours. It's just like wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's really cool to hear that there's other parts of Summit that you also enjoy and that you see. But maybe there's also other parts of just the booth vendors that you also think, wow, this is amazing. Do you have any other vendors or booths on the server which you've seen and be like, wow, that's really cool?
I mean, like there's well, I will say, like first off, our booth, just a shout out to our booth neighbors, Vanilla Ride Studios, because just having seen the development of their booth and being able to actually like ride the rides and like wow the production value. But in terms of just general builds, I don't know. A lot of the stuff in the Patch Plateaus has been pretty cool, like Crop and Kettle. Just like I love how well people have integrated into the region. What about you?
Yeah, I like Crop and Kettles a lot. That's actually one of my favorite booths that I've seen so far.
Yeah.
But yeah, also Vanilla Ride Studios. That roller coaster is so immersive. It's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is really cool to hear. I know that one of the previous people that I interviewed, DevsCube from Shargate, mentioned that one of his favorite booths was animated Java. How does that make you feel that there are actual other vendors
Oh.
mentioning your booth and saying how awesome it is and that it's one of their favorites?
we, we did a good job.
We did good. We did good.
Woo!
Our work is validated.
Yay!
Yeah.
3 months of work. Yay!
Yeah, that is. Yeah, I'm very happy to see that you're excited for this summit and whatnot. And I'd love to ask you, would you be wanting to join for if there was another summit?
Oh, of course.
If we like have the opportunity to, yeah, it's been very exciting. Just like being a part of this whole community, like you said, and just seeing like the creativity and like the wide variety of people are making. It's kind of like interesting. I'm always part of like smaller, like more specific communities. So this is the first time I've really just kind of branched out and to see just like the full extent of like the Minecraft development scene. It's been very cool.
Talking just a little bit about animated Java as a whole, is there anybody that you'd love to give a shout out to that maybe has helped you, such as yourselves, of course, and also maybe some of your moderators, whatnot? Is there anybody that, while you have the spotlight, you want to thank?
Well, yeah. Thor, our builder, isn't here, but he's been a huge help with getting the build structured, and like he just has a really good knack for building or making buildings or making builds cohesive. So
Yeah, it's been very like just like logging onto the server and seeing what he's done. It's been very it's been very cool. Just he made he made the cave a build in like 2 hours, just like really quick, and then he left. So it's like
yeah, the dev time compared, like I've spent over 80 hours on my booth, like deving stuff, and he spent like 4 hours building.
yeah, he just like he comes and goes, but when he does, he always delivers. I will say.
Yeah, the booth gets transformed every time he shows up.
Yeah, that is really cool. I'll make sure to get all the links to you guys and people like Thor in the description of this video.
All right.
And we seemingly covered all bases. It would be a very nice teaser for Summit. Is there anything that you two would like to say to the audience as like a spotlight right now? Is there anything?
Mhm.
Visit the booth, make
Yeah.
mini rigs,
Please hire me up. No.
but also just visit Summit. It's awesome.
Yeah.
It's gonna be sweet.
Yeah, yeah, there's a lot of talented people here, a lot of cool things happening. So, yeah, come over and just see all of our work, including mine, especially mine. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's good to hear. Credits to everybody here will be in the description, as well as a couple other things. Thanks for watching today's episode. That has been News on Smith Summit, and I'll speak with you tomorrow.